In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew in Hostinger. If you need to renew your hosting plan or subscription and you're not sure where to find the option, don't worry. The process is very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can complete it without confusion. To begin, make sure you're already logged in to your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the billing option and select it. This will take you to the area where you can manage payments, subscriptions, and renewal-related settings for your account. If you have multiple services in your account, this is the section where everything is organized in one place, so it's the right area to use when you want to renew something manually. Once you're on the billing page, find the subscription section. In that section, you should be able to see your active subscription or service plan listed there. Take a moment to locate the correct one if you have more than one subscription attached to your account. Next, look for the Renew button. When you find it, click on Renew to begin the renewal process. This action tells Hostinger that you want to continue the selected service for another billing period. After clicking Renew, you'll be asked to confirm your renewal. Carefully review what's being renewed so you know you're confirming the correct subscription. Once everything looks right, go ahead and confirm it. And that's it. Your renewal is completed. As a quick tip, after renewing, it's always a good idea to double-check that the subscription status reflects the update in your billing area. That way you can be sure the renewal went through successfully and your service will continue without interruption. So again, the path is simple. Click your profile icon in the top right, go to Billing, find the subscription section, click Renew, and confirm. It only takes a moment once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you renew your Hostinger subscription quickly and easily.